Hey everyone, okay, so today we're talking about the best primers of 2020. Primers are such a great category. Many years ago, I was never a fan of them. And over the past several years, I've become to really enjoy and love the benefits that you can get with primer. You know, you can use less makeup, you have greater longevity on the skin, they smooth out the skin in terms of pores. They're just a great category. So let's make a start on the best primers of 2020. Okay, so the first one, this is a great one. So this is by e.l.f. and it is the Poreless Putty Primer. And this is what it looks like. And inside you've got this gorgeous kind of beautiful kind of paste of a primer, and it's incredible, and it gives a really great smoothing effect on the skin. What's great is that it grips the makeup, which is excellent, and allows it to just glide over and give a really velvet kind of appearance. Best of all, it minimizes pores, vegan, cruelty-free, and once you've applied it, kind of leave it like 30 seconds or so. And best of all, it costs £8, which is absolutely amazing. And did I mention that this can really minimize pores? It is just a spectacular primer and an amazing price. Okay, so technically not a primer, but I wanted to mention these because they are really nice. And these are actually lip balms, and these are by e.l.f. and they are these ride or die lip balms. And they're just incredible. They come in various shades. I've swatched a couple on the back of my hand here. But if you've got dry lips, these are amazing. They add this tiny wash of color. They're infused with jojoba oil, various shades. I think there's 6 shades, and amazingly, it's £5. And I like to use lip balm before makeup, so I put it onto the lips and just let it sit there. And the fact that these are infused with a little bit of color is just cracking. Okay, so let's move on to some other wonderful primers. So first up is Laura Mercier, and this is the Pure Canvas Powder Primer. This is a great little primer. Laura Mercier kind of really paved the way for primers, and they've got a whole host. She's got a whole host of products, different primers, whether it's radiant or blurring, illuminating, perfecting, protecting, but they are top class. They're really good. This is a lovely one, Luminous Silk Hydrating Primer. This is by Giorgio Armani. It's a really nice primer, a really nice one. Veil by Hourglass, an oldie but a goodie. More suited, absolutely more suited to normal to oily combinations on dry skin. Really doesn't apply nicely. Farsali, and this is the liquid powder. I actually like this, but I tend to prefer it under sort of skincare rather than makeup, but it is a really good product. Now this one costs the earth, but it is amazing. It is Victoria Beckham, and it is the Cell Rejuvenating Priming Moisturizer. It does cost the earth, but it really has amazing benefits to it. And that is a very small list. Actually, I'm going to include this one because this is a setting spray, but it's also a primer, which is Bobbi Brown Primer Plus Hydrating 3-in-1 Setting Spray, before, during, and after makeup. I like to keep my primers, you know, these are the ones that I use. It's short and concise, but you know, they work, and that's really all you want from a product, is that it works. Thanks for watching. All the information is in the description bar, and I will see you all soon. Bye-bye.